Are you struggling to grow your trading account? Do you want a proven method to profit consistently in any direction and in any time frame? What if you know exactly what to look for, those easy trading opportunities? When to enter, that will greatly lower your risk. And where to get out to ensure you take your profits and maximize any bonuses the market gives you. If this sounds like something you are struggling with, continue watching. Tell me if this sounds familiar. The market makes a new high. You buy. It reverses. You got scared so you bail out. Or, how about this? The market reverses again but this time, in your direction. You experience FOMO and jump in. The market dashes your hope and reverses again, but this time, you didn't set a stop loss because you were afraid that it will fake you out again. The market continues to fall, sending your account to margin call. What you just experienced is a classic market behavior known as the 1-2-3 top. Buyers who were lucky to profit from the first run-up jumped in again, only to have the same experience as you and bail out. Sellers who didn't got the chance to sell when it falls jump in when the market came back. You see, the Forex market isn't pushed or pulled by Fibonacci or trend lines. They don't turn when indicators signal overbought or oversold. They are influenced by emotions. And is this very reason 79% of retail traders never get to grow their accounts consistently for more than a month. If you are frustrated and tired of not getting the results you want from trading Forex, you are not alone. I was just like you. You see, in 2006, I started trading Forex. Throughout that 14 years, I've invested and paid and tried all sort of so-called winning systems. None of it worked until I understand the three key emotional pillars that made up the market. It is through identifying and applying these three emotional pillars that truly made a difference in my shrinking account. So how do you identify these three emotions and how can you apply it to your advantage? The three emotional pillars that made up the market are greed, fear, and regret. You can easily identify them on the chart if you know how to use the structure, setup, and signal framework mentioned in this book. With that said, let me jump right in and show you exactly what you're getting. First of all, this isn't like any Forex price action trading book you've ever read. There's no fluff or filler. Just battle-tested tactics that are working for me right now. And it's about more than just Forex. See, I've used the same system taught in this book to trade indices and equities like SPY and GLD. The best part about this is that it's specifically designed for people who hate guessing. Listen. If you don't like losing, you're not alone. I can't stand it either. I'd literally rather save money and spend it on holidays than to waste time and money trying to be good at Forex trading. That's why I took 14 years to develop this simple 3-parts formula to give you and I the edge we need to grow our trading account really fast. When you master the structure, setup, and signal framework written in the book, two things will happen. First, you will know what to look for when you open a chart and spend no less than 2 seconds to identify if the currency pair will be a winner or not. This is really important because you don't get paid for the hours you spend monitoring the market. So you want to get really good at reading behavior and sequence. The next thing you'll notice is this. You'll know how to spot more trading opportunities. And you could do it even if you miss the first breakout. Yes, you heard that right. The market will actually do the hard part of showing you where it wants to go, and all you have to do is to show up, follow the framework written in the book, and take your profits. It's that effective. Here's what to do next. Like I mentioned before, this book is free. All I ask is that you help me cover the printing and postage costs, $7.95 US or $16.04 international. Oh, and in case you're wondering, there is no catch. I've seen plenty of websites out there that offer you something awesome for free, only to trap you into some program that charges your card every month. This isn't one of them. There's no hidden continuity program. No programs that you accidentally enter into and then can't ever get out of. There isn't any third-party partners that you don't realize you're signing up to. But there are a few reasons why I'm doing this. Simple. I'm making this offer with the idea that you'll be very impressed with what I'm giving you today and you'll want to do more business with me in the future. I'm betting that you'll enjoy the book so much you'll call and ask to take additional classes or trainings from me. Pretty straightforward. Anyway, with all of that said, this is truly a limited offer. So claim your copy now before they're all gone. There is no catch to this offer. You will not be signing up for any trial to some monthly program or anything like that. In fact, if you don't like the book, let me know and I'll even give you back the postage cost. You don't even need to send the book back. Click the button below and claim your copy now. You won't regret it. Thank you very much and I'll see you on the other side.